Mega love shout out everyone. This is me, Mom Shawie Vlog, and we're going to unboxing number 2. So guys, it's very colorful. So even the package is so colorful. It's pink. So guys, can you guess what are the products here? So guys, because before I have ordered this numerous items from this store, and this store, charot. So as a valuable customer, we need to read feedbacks. So we all know that feedbacks compose of positive and negative. So if the positive feedbacks are more numerous than the negative one, or we say 5 of 5, so that store is very legit. It's very it's give what they give. They are, what do you call that, they are reliable store, and then they have numerous followers. So guys, I think I took too much, so it's unboxing time. So guys, see, still wrapped, and then it's being put on a bubble wrap. What do you think the contents of this package, guys? So we have here numerous of items. So this is phone holder. Phone holder 1. Yeah, I am Samsa now. Charot. Holder 2. Complete. I think it's 4. Holder 3. Phone holder 4. And then we also have here there. So guys, since I am a vlogger and I'm fond of touring around, so that's the reason why, guys, I have ordered this. So you can segregate your stuff. So probably these are for your makeup. This is for your makeup. This is for your charbiness and etc. So that's the reason why I bought lots of this for segregation purposes. And we also have here and then you just simply mount this on the wall, and then these are their, what do you call that, you can use this in your cables, your your what do you call that, your charger, your phone charger, your cables, your lots of cables. So you can use this to organize it. And then what else? See guys, small, and then we also have here big ones. Yeah, see guys, we have lot of stuffs here. And then okay, so we have lots of stuffs here. So thank you very much, dear sellers. There are sellers for this. So thank you very much for giving what I was ordering. So it's complete.